So,
All right, my brothers and sisters, you see how Miss Maria started her young career as a bartender, and now she's bartending right down the
On the drain.
drain.
No more alcohol. No good. You see? That's what you have to do with all the alcohol you guys have.
But
in
honey,
your
look,
house.
this is very expensive.
Well,
This
I
is
don't
Crown
care.
Royal.
That's from the devil, you know?
Oh, wow.
When
I
we
don't
dump
think
this in
so.
the garbage, in the drain.
Oh
you know
man, I'm
how
getting
many-
drunk just listening. Don't smell that.
Yeah,
Put on your
okay.
mask.
Okay, it smells
I'm
so
getting drunk.
But anyways, you know, we are avoiding having people driving while being drunk, DUIs in the street.
That's right.
We are saving lives when we're doing this. Marriages and families that are being destroyed by this poison, we're getting rid of this. You should do the same.
So all you Christians that are hurting right now, you gotta examine yourself.